Hi, Classy Claws. I am back from my holidays and I've took those peach ones off and I've put these lovely autumn ones on. I filed my other set down. I had to replace a couple of tips. And then I recorded everything except for the top coat at the end. I really don't know what happened. I thought I videoed, but I'd actually videoed my desk for like 2 minutes. So I'm really sorry we don't have the reveal at the end of this video, which is such a shame because these are such a beautiful set. But I do have all the pots in front of me, so I do have all the colours. So at least I won't have to try and rack my brains today to remember what I used. So this little finger, I am using some gold leaf by Sonia Williams. I saw her do this set on YouTube and I managed to get this copper gold leaf from her store. It wasn't expensive, a couple of pound I think, and the pot is absolutely rammed full of gold leaf and you literally use a tiny little bit. I put down some Perfect Peach first from CJP because that's kind of what she'd use, this peachy colour. Although I'm not sure now when I look at the whole set. That's the only bit of peach I really used. Anyway, I also used this olive green from CJP. Oh, it is beautiful. I really would fancy a whole set in this green. It is gorgeous. So I just did this nail plain. She put gems on hers, silver gems, but I didn't really like the silver gems with all the copper. I just thought it looked a bit odd. But anyway, I left it plain and it looks absolutely stunning. The next finger I go on to is antique bronze. It looks really dark on the video, but it's like looks like a brown, but it's got like a nice, I can't even describe it, like a gold tinge to it. So I used that on my middle finger, and then I used these glitters from Sonia's website again, called Copper Pennies. One's in fine and then the other one is in multi. So I put them both down and then I put a little bit of gold leaf over the top as well. Oh, beautiful. You'll see, absolutely beautiful. The ring finger was, it wasn't a marble, it was just laying down different colours, kind of one after another really, and then going over the lines with the fine glitter. And then on the thumb I used satin slippers. If you haven't got that one, get that one as well. Definitely get olive tree, antique bronze and satin slippers. They're the most gorgeous colours and they just go lovely together. So my ring finger, I used those three and then I just chucked in a little bit of the Perfect Peach, one little stripe of that, and then over the joins I used the chunky mix. Oh yeah, you can see me doing it now. What I did actually on the middle finger, you can't see it here, I was going to do an ombre with the antique bronze and the peach. It looks shit, so I had to pull it all off. What a nightmare that was. File it, and then I went over the whole nail with the antique bronze and then put the glitter on top. So, but I cut that bit out so you won't see that. So this nail, I'm just going in with all these different colours. I'm not great at this. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I just kind of shoved them all on, one after another really. And then, you know, once you've got your glitter on and you've put your top coat on, they look really lovely anyway, I thought. So my thumb, I did an ombre with the satin slippers and the antique bronze, and then I just added a bit of glitter just to kind of sparkle it up a little bit really. But they look beautiful. I'm gutted I didn't get my top coat. I've never done that before. I really don't know what happened. I had 2 videos as well and both didn't get it. I don't know what I was doing. I think it's because it was late and I was, I don't know, not thinking. But they are beautiful. I'll leave you to watch it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And give me a thumbs up if you like it. And I will see you all in my next one. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye.